The wait is finally over, and Apple just did the unthinkable. The iPad mini 8 is here, and this time, it's not just another refresh. It's a revolution in your hands. Powered by the all-new A19 Pro chip, featuring a mind-blowing OLED display, this tiny beast redefines what compact power really means. It's faster than ever, smarter than ever, and more stunning than you could imagine. The same cinematic display tech from the iPhone 17 Pro, now in a device smaller than your notebook. This isn't just an iPad mini. This is Apple's most powerful compact creation yet. Get ready, because the iPad mini 8 has arrived, and it's an absolute OLED monster. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The wait is finally over, and Apple fans across the world are losing their minds, because the iPad mini 8 is finally here, and it's not just another refresh. It's a complete transformation of Apple's most portable powerhouse. For years, the iPad mini has been that quiet genius in Apple's lineup. Small enough to fit in your hand, yet powerful enough to handle everything from gaming to creative work. But this time, Apple didn't just update it, they unleashed it. The iPad mini 8 is a compact monster, powered by Apple's new A19 Pro chip and featuring a jaw-dropping OLED display that changes everything you thought an iPad mini could be. When you hold it in your hand, it's like holding a piece of the future, the same breathtaking display technology found in the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro, now squeezed into a device that weighs less than your notebook but performs like a MacBook Air. And the best part? Apple's finally given it the attention it deserves, elevating the Mini from a secondary tablet into a flagship device in its own right. The design language remains instantly recognizable, with that sleek aluminum unibody and perfectly balanced form factor, but it's now even more refined, thinner bezels, sharper edges, and new finishes that feel impossibly premium. Apple's attention to detail is unmatched, from the subtle curvature of the corners to the symmetrical speaker grills and the redesigned power button housing the next-gen Touch ID sensor with improved speed and accuracy. It's still unmistakably Apple, but evolved for a new generation of creators, students, and professionals who demand performance without compromise. Under the hood, the A19 Pro chip is what truly sets the iPad mini 8 apart from anything that came before it. Built on a 3nm architecture and optimized for both performance and efficiency, this chip is a beast, capable of running console-grade games, editing 8K video, and even handling AI-powered workflows that were once reserved for desktop machines. Apple's neural engine has been upgraded, now delivering a staggering 20 trillion operations per second, which means that everything from photo editing to multitasking feels fluid, instant, and intelligent. The A19 Pro is also designed for Apple's growing ecosystem of AI and on-device intelligence. Whether it's real-time translation, advanced note-taking with handwriting recognition, or intelligent camera enhancements, the iPad mini 8 uses AI in ways that make it feel alive, as if it anticipates what you need before you even tap the screen. Combine that with 16 GB of unified memory and up to 2 TB of storage, and you're looking at a compact device that can easily replace a laptop for most users. Apple has even optimized iPadOS 18 to take full advantage of the A19 Pro's neural cores, unlocking new multitasking features that make the Mini more capable than ever before. Imagine running Final Cut Pro, Safari, and Photoshop simultaneously, with zero lag, no overheating,